Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. And well, in today's video, we are just gonna look at the robot. How really nice, he's making a dog, and how every pencil stroke is just perfect. What do you think about it? So now we'll tell you how to draw things. The first one here is a fish, and I think we all have drawn fish some or the other day the way shown here. So yeah, it's quite nostalgic. So now my favorite part, personal favorite part, the coloring part. And now we will make the fish a rainbow fish. Completed. So the next one in today's video, what do you think a S can make? Obviously, these are two cats and they're hugging each other, I think. Okay, there's a cat and the second one is a bunny. You can tell by the ears. And look how cute they look. I mean, just look at them. They look so nice. They're just hugging each other like best friends. And the next one here is, what do you think it is? I think it's a dinosaur. And yeah, I am right. As you guys all know that I'm always right. And I think he's dancing because he's happy about something. Yeah, so it's a dancing dinosaur. So the next one in today's video is a very cute little baby elephant. And look at those eyes. They are so beautiful and pretty. Just by completing the hands and the leg part. And oh, how cute. Well, okay, so the next one in today's video, okay, these are two hearts and I know what they will make. These are two cute little birds. See, I was right. So yeah, I think they're talking about something. They're talking about my creativity, I guess. But they're looking really nice. That small heart is really good. Okay, so the next one in today's video is, what do you think it is? Again, it's a bird, but we are trying to draw it in a different way. So yeah, you can draw birds, animals, you can draw everything in so many different ways, and I am here to tell you how many different ways you can draw them. So yeah, again, we have drawn a bird, but this one is different, completely different from the last one. She's sitting on a small branch of a tree. Okay, so the next one. Okay, we can use our hands also. So the next one in today's video is, what do you think it is? It's a small rabbit by the eyes, I can say that. Let's wait till it's completed. Okay, it is a rabbit. Look how cute it is. So small. Okay, so that's the best part. The pink color is my favorite part. So yeah, now I think we'll color it more. Yeah, obviously sitting on something. Oh my god. Look at the hand product. It's so good. Okay, so the next one in today's video is, okay, do tell me in the comment section how many of you have seen Shaun the Sheep. This one is obviously a sheep, as you can say by now. But yeah, how many of you have seen it? I mean, look at this. It's so cute. And the next one in today's video is a monkey, and you can tell by the face shape, of course. And yeah, it is a monkey. And look at the tail. So the next one in today's video, again it's a bird, but see, in same video only I've shown you 3 different ways to draw a bird. See how nice. So thank you for watching.